you very much. Good morning, everybody. John and members of the Tanna Rally. It is a great opportunity and honor for me to stand on behalf of these kids and on behalf of the school principal, to first of all say, the song says it all. We welcome you to God's resolution and may God's blessing be with us all. Thank you very much for the time that you had along the way on your race to visit our school. Our local school consists of almost 170 students, ranged from preschool up to grade 8. And our school is newly registered at junior secondary school, so probably next year we are having grade 9 and the following year we have grade 10. We are very pleased to have the Yodis visiting our school. Very often during the season where the boats normally arrive. As we stand in this area, if you look around, all the buildings around in here are funded by Yodis. Members from both who come like you are here today. Thank you very much for the time. Maybe you had other plans, other decisions on your journey, but because you stopped over at our place, you wanted to come and visit our school. We are very happy to have you here this morning with us. The students are very happy and they receive the blessing that they gave to you from our God Almighty. Thank you very much, John. I stand on behalf of the students to acknowledge John. Please give a big clap to John. One of my teacher who is busy doing something else this morning, so he's not able to be with us. But it is through Stewart and John that you are here this morning to visit the students. This school is a government registered primary school, but Vanuatu government only give teachers to teach, like resource people. But the infrastructures are all built by Yodis, people from the boat who come here, and the people in here touch the heart, so they help to build this one and the other buildings around here. We're all funded by Yodis. The students in here live around this area, and we are very happy to have you here this morning with us. We have the wall up. A month ago, they visited us. We also gave them the same message as we are giving you this morning. But because we, the Melanesian, before I finish acknowledging your attendance this morning, I would like to say, I came from an island where I normally saw this, the boats, the yachts visiting it. So I can say, before I finish, people from the yachts, like you, are people that have the heart that people cannot express. Because why? You can give, you have the heart and the way to give. When you give, you cannot say anything behind it. Because I experience it and I know how people like you and the feeling that you have for us, people like the Melanesian. The Melanesian people have the heart that you people have. So thank you very much for visiting us. We never know what probably you're going to give to us, or maybe what you will say to us, or maybe what John will say to us. But John, thank you very much. And James, I knew only John and James, so I say John and James, thank you very much. Thank you everybody. I hope you will enjoy your stay here with us in Port Resolution. And as the song says, we welcome you to Port Resolution and may God's blessing be with you. Enjoy today's activity with you. Thank you very much.
Beautiful children. Thank you so much for that lovely song. When we sail away from our land to come and have new experiences, for me, Vanuatu will always be that experience of the heart. We visit many beautiful islands with many palm trees and sandy beaches, but nowhere do we find people like here. to be able to be welcomed into your community and feel like we are part of it, to be able to contribute in a little way to help your lives become more fulfilled, to do the little bit we can to say thank you for all that you give us. The memories that we will take away are millions times more valuable than the little gifts we leave behind. We thank you so much for having us.
John and everybody, thank you for the time, thank you for what you have given us. Thank you for what you have given us. We don't have much to give to you because what we have in here is probably will help your meal this afternoon. So we leave it as it is, so you can arrange how you can maybe each and everyone should have a little bit of it to help your meal for this afternoon. So thank you very much. It is our heart that we give this one to you. Thank you everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, are we all happy for this to go back up to Waries and be put with the feast? Yeah. Let's do that if everyone wouldn't mind. We'd like to just carry that back up.